Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about Universal Platform's Dropbox extension. The Dropbox extension is available via the Universal Platform store. I'm currently logged in to the store and I can go and access, firstly I can download it because I've already purchased the free product. I can also download it from this interface, or alternatively the library view where you've got access to everything you've previously purchased. Now we have this downloaded already. So once you download the WIZ file, come across the Universal console, go to the update section under administration and add a package and simply browse to it. I've previously uploaded the Dropbox WIZ file so we can review and apply it. Run the update. Now WIZ file can include extensions such as the Dropbox connector, or it can include full solutions which may be templates, um, you know, pipelines, web service definitions, etc. So the WIZ file is a complete bundling technology in terms of bundling solutions out which are portable. Now you see the update has been successful. Now we can come across the interface manager, and what we're going to do is first we're going to create a user credential which we're going to use with Dropbox. So I'm going to be creating a Dropbox OAuth credential. I'm going to call this create save. Whoops. We require a username, but Dropbox actually won't use a username, so we can just put any old thing in there. And now we can go through the process of actually authorizing Dropbox, and we've got some documentation online which actually has previously set up all the Dropbox application keys. So you can just go grab it from there. Please do go and define your own. Now it's going to take us off to Dropbox to do the authorization. I'm already logged in. I'm allowing it, and shoot back here. We're done. And save. Okay. Now under our connectors, we can create a Dropbox connector. Okay. Just push save. And we can go and then choose the credential that this connector is going to use. Now what's important to remember here is each connector is actually discrete in its own right, so different connectors may use different credentials, and then you can allocate them out using the security model. What is important is that the methods available are always off. You need to actually turn them on. So if you want to expose out a connector to a particular individual in the business, you can only give them, you can restrict it down to a particular function only. And then you would use security roles to actually provision that out to them. Okay, now that we've created the credential and the connector, we can go and actually use this thing inside pipelines, for instance. So here we go. We're just going to call this Dropbox. Save that. Go into the editor. If we search for Dropbox, there it is there. So you have all the typical sort of Dropbox operations there. But what I'm going to show you next is the ability to take Dropbox and make it a file system. So in terms of your context, you can see we're pulling our data from Dropbox. So you can copy files, upload files, etc. So we're just going to leave that for now, and we're going to expose Dropbox as a storage item. So we're going to go out and create a file system. So we're going to say it's a Dropbox file system, db file system. Going to use a Dropbox credential. Okay, save. So now the file system is created. We can now go and mount it on storage. So if we mount storage, so this will be db storage, and we're going to be using db file system. So now what we have is we've got a Dropbox storage location. There it is there. Now what's significant here in terms of storage is under pipelines again, we can actually use all the storage attributes, which gives us the ability to do things like storage watch, trigger an event, or synchronize storage. So all of these attributes now become available to you in terms of storage. So if we want to just choose one, if you want to save a storage item, you'll see now that you have storage location to actually consume. Thank you for listening.